Welcome back to K-Dog's Model Car Doghouse. Thought I'd jump in and do a little what'd you get and what's up Wednesday. I ain't been feel like doing a whole lot. Been having some health issues. It'll be okay though. We'll make it to the end, whatever the end is. But got me some plate markers. Man, I love these things. Like the way the brush is on the ends of them. They're handy for a lot of stuff. I use them to paint some interior parts and all kind of little touch up, and all kind of crap like that. Got in a bunch of decals. Got a bunch of, guess who? Got a Haynes Olds Cutlass. Warren Johnson. Got a couple of the other Cutlass. For silver car and a black car, I'm gonna do a couple of those. I got decals for both of those. Got the Grand Am. Got the Grand Am. I don't know if I ever see that in Grand Am form, but we'll do something with those. And then we got the ones with the Grand Am with the stars on it. We'll do something with that. Then, new stuff I got. The new stuff that's in the catalog now is a Dino Don Mustang. That's the latest. And then we got this is one here I'm fixing to do. I'm gonna do this one. Uh-oh, all my stuff fell on the floor. I'm fixing to do that one. I think that's one of my next builds. Then we got a couple more bottles of thinner. I got this stuff here, Mr. Surfer 1000. I got it off a Gundam website. You know, it's like $12 a can at Hobby Lobby, and they had it for $7. And then they had a Memorial Day 20% off, and then got 20% off of that. So I stocked up and got me a couple cans of gray, a red, and a white, and they were sold out on a black. On a black one too, but oh well, next time. All right, I'm gonna flip you around, see what's going on the bench, and we'll be right back. All right, we back. A lot of stuff's just sitting here idle. It's been sitting on my shelf. It's probably been sitting up here collecting dirt. It looked awful. And I took it in the house and washed it with some Dawn dish detergent. I've been polishing out a little bit. Look how the roof's coming out. I'm gonna polish it out and build it up. Been working on my Barracuda slot car. Got the windows in. Got my windows in there. Got all my trim. Get all my trim done. Get ready to put all that together, and that'll be done. Messing with Cheryl's Firebird a little bit. Get that one done. Then she'll go race with me a little bit. Maybe. Working on a Dart. This old junk body I had a 3D hood scoop, made me a flat hood. And just scoop on it. I think the profile works. Profile worked good on the Dart, I believe. I don't know what I want to do with that yet. I'm about done playing with the slot cars. My Barracuda's still sitting the way it was. I haven't really touched it much. Got the engine sitting in it. Now that VCG Resins has done a couple tunnel around big blocks, I watched Jason Klein's video last night. I just ordered mine Sunday. Jason's talking about putting them in one of his dusters. We may have to do the duster with the big block turnaround in it. Maybe use the decals I just got. That'd work. That's about all that's going on here, other than I wasted a few days trying to get my printers back up. I let my printer sit here and I can't get them to print now. So that's going to be a slot car body, a 39 monogram 39. And then I got a 39, a GTX. I'll do it some kind of blue and silver. Just keeping myself busy, messing at the bitch. I enjoy it. That's what we got for this Wednesday. Don't forget about the A-Body Buddy build. Y'all jump into the A-Body Buddy build. And Saturday, hang on, one second. Saturday, Greensboro, North Carolina. Greensboro, North Carolina. There's the address. There's the time. We get in. Bottle show, $5 for first kit and $1 afterwards. There's your QR code. I'll be there, if the Lord's willing. Got a couple vendor tables. I'm gonna set some junk up and see if I can get rid of some junk. Anyway, that's what I got going on. Just thought I'd yell. See what's happening out there in the YouTube land. But remember what the K-Dog says. Be happy and model on.